Singapore. It's another great day to rediscover Singapore. This time, my colleagues and I headed to the Southern Ridges Trail at Mount Faber Park, one of the oldest park and second highest hill in Singapore. The park formerly known as Telok Blangah Hill. Enjoy the stunning view of Singapore's coastline and the verdant foliage that surround the hilltop destination of Mount Faber Hill. One of the highlights on the park is the 36 meters above ground bridge, which is the Henderson Waves. The highest pedestrian bridge in Singapore, with its fantastical shape, has lent an unexpected jolt of design savvy to the lush green belt in the south of Singapore. See it for yourself on one of the best places Singapore has to offer. These are the captured moments.